Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing the unboxing of the December Witch Casket, which showed up 2 days ago. Like I said in my last video, it smells very heavily of lavender. So let's get started and see what's inside. So here's the December package I received. So let's get this opened up and see what we have. This one did take a while to get to me, but it did get to me, which is a good thing. So, pardon the crinkling of the plastic as always. All right, flip over. Yeah, let's see what we have. I can smell something very strongly. So, what do we have? Okay, so we have Witch Casket, Sacred Space, December 2024. Now I'll go through the book a little bit later, but there is our artwork. And yeah, so we'll go through the book a little bit later because it has all the spoilers in it. Try and move this back without wrecking everything. Our matching art card for the month is a gathering in the forest, and of course your monthly manifestation. Our spell, Altar Blessing Candle Spell Kit, contains all you need to cleanse and bless your sacred space. Now there's no easy way to do this. So Altar Blessing Candle Spell. Oh, that's a nice one. And then we have 2 herbs. Feels like herbs. And then a small candle. So that will be our Altar Blessing Candle Spell Kit. Set that like that. And I'm going in no particular order, just whatever's on top here. And we have Raising the Vibrations of Your Sacred Space. So it is very important that the place where we practice our craft has a positive vibration. This will help you to maintain a high and powerful vibration as you practice. Nice. I love the artwork in the red and the black. That's so pretty. That'll be a nice addition to my book. And next we have this wooden plate. That's got all these symbols engraved into it. Flowers, snakes. That's pretty. Nice quality. Nicely finished. And this next box we have, it says, use this enchanting box to hold your small altar curiosities and oddities. Ornate altar box. Ooh. This is nice. I was actually looking for something that I could put crystal chips in earlier today. Now this is nice. Now it's metal. So set the box there. And it's got the floral pattern on it. Witch casket on the bottom. The snake. And of course, this way. Perfect. That's really nice. I like that. And here we have, looks like maybe if I can get it undone. Looks like maybe, oh, cute, a little tapestry. Is that ever cute? Love that. We'll put that there. And our pin for the month of January looks to be a black candle with a pentacle on it. Very nice. Black enamel, a little bit of white enamel in there. Oh, a cat. I like cats. I have cats. I have 2 cats. Their names are Breezy and Neo. And in this bag, it's a canvas bag. It's jingly. And what would be more fitting for December than a bell? Very nice. The moon and stars. Altar bell. Ring a bell to signify the beginning and end of rituals. Altar bells can also be used for cleansing and banishing, as ringing a bell clears away stagnant or negative energies. A picture of the moon on there. So we'll set that one just off to here. And a stone. Nice little crystal. Get it out for you. That be. It's got some sheen to it. Larvikite. Huh, nice. So larvikite, a protective and grounding stone which can help us to connect with the earth's energies. Larvikite can help to enhance psychic abilities and intuition. This is a powerful stone to help to adapt to changes and transitions. I love the flash. That's so pretty. Very nice. So that is larvikite. Just gonna move you down a little bit. Keep everything in view, or try to. And a magical blend of lavender and rosemary. I could smell this outside the box. So I'm not going to open that, but it was very, very strong. For use with incense holders, okay, and light the incense and affirm, I banish negativity from this space. Rosemary and lavender cleanse this place. Bad vibes be gone. Leave no trace. Negativity banishing incense. Nice. Like it. I like this box. Pretty cool. And black salt ash collector. Oh. Beautiful black walnut incense burner and ash collector. Collect ash from your incense and blend with salt to create black salt for protection. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, so, oh yeah, so your incense goes in there and your ashes would just fall around there. Well, that's nice. I have one incense burner, but nothing like this. So I'm interested in reading a little bit on this plate here. So that will be, I'm just going to check and see if that is all for the box. It is just packing peanuts. And last time I got those, I did check them to see if indeed they were biodegradable or if they would dissolve in water. So I was having quite a bit of fun with that. And so our book today, I'd like to read a little bit. So the Black Salt Ash Collector, we just did that one. And it says, blend it with salt to create black salt for protection. Okay. And then the Black Walnut Spell Workboard. So this is a spell workboard down here. And black walnut is associated with wisdom, inspiration, clarity, and focus. We designed this high-quality spell workboard for you to work your magic. And then Charming Altar Bell. Ring a bell to signify the beginning and end of rituals. Altar bells can also be used for cleansing and banishing, as ringing a bell clears away stagnant or negative energies. I'm having a problem with repetition today. Embroidered wall hanging, that would be this with the cauldron. A magical hanging to grace the walls of your sacred space, a bubbling cauldron spell being cast under a crescent moon. And the ornate altar box, designed exclusively for Witch's Casket. Use this enchanting box to hold your small altar curiosities and oddities. And the spell kit. This has this mysterious package holds 100% soy wax tea light candle and rosemary and chamomile. And then, of course, your instructions in the card there. Vanishing black candle enamel pin. Wear the black pentacle candle pin to symbolize the protection and vanishing. This enchanting pin will add magic to any jacket or bag or enhance any wall display. So there you have it. It is a black candle. There we go. And raising the vibrations of your sacred space parchment scroll. That's that one. Negativity banishing incense. That is the rosemary and lavender. And the larvacite tumbled stone with info card. That's this one here. And that's our larvacite. And the Woodland Coven Monthly Manifestations art print. So there's the Woodland Coven art print. And so that's it for December's Witch Casket. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and I will try to answer as best I can. I will try and do some still photos of each of the items below, and I'm really excited for January's casket, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.